In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a navigation sidebar in Notion. A lightweight sidebar keeps your workspace tidy and makes it effortless to jump between key pages. And the best part is you can build it once and reuse it everywhere. Start by creating the structure. In a new or existing page, type /2 to insert 2 columns. This drops a simple 2-column block onto your page. Grab the handle for that block and drag it all the way to the far left, so it becomes the foundation of your layout. The left column will serve as your navigation. The right column remains free for your main content. Next, give the sidebar a clear header. Inside the left column, use /callout to add a callout block. Title it Navigation so it's instantly recognizable and pick a custom icon that fits your style. The callout visually anchors the section and makes the menu stand out from the rest of the page. Under that callout, begin listing the destinations you want quick access to. For each item, type /page to insert a page link, then choose the existing area you want to link to. Repeat this for all your frequently used spaces, your dashboard, projects, notes, or archives. Keep names short and consistent so scanning the list is fast. You can arrange them in the order you use most. Grouping related items to reduce scrolling. Once your links look right, turn the entire sidebar into a global component. Highlight every part of the navigation, the callout, and all the links, then type /sync and select synced block. This wraps the content in a special container that stays in sync wherever it's used. Edit it in one place, and every copy updates automatically. Now apply your new sidebar across your workspace. Copy the synced block and paste it onto your other pages. Drop it at the top or tuck it into the left column of any layout you already have. From this point on, you'll enjoy a consistent, always up-to-date navigation menu. If you add or remove a link in one copy, the change will ripple through every page where it appears, keeping your structure clean and current. As your workspace grows, just add or reorder links inside the synced block to reflect your priorities. And everything stays organized without extra effort. That's it, your Notion navigation sidebar is ready. Use it as your jumping off point and keep your focus on the work that matters. Thanks for watching.